shimmers under amber light. A quiet rhythm takes the London night. The cobblestones are glistening down the lane as clouds roll over heavy with the rain. The midday rush is nothing but a ghost. It's in these midnight hours I find you most. And it's a soft patter, a steady refrain, whispering secrets through the window pane. A gentle murmur on the roof tonight, washing the city till the morning light. No silver lining needs to catch my eye, just the sound of the rain under